Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come back with another video, guys. So today I will be unboxing Adidas Forum bold white sneakers or baskets. So guys, I can't wait to show you, and since I'm addicted to Adidas, so I decided to go for this one this time. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, as you can see, this is how my pair of shoes looks like. Actually, this is Adidas Forum blood white. So this is how they look like. When I come a little bit closer, as you can see guys, they are like a little bit greenish. And also I saw another pair of the same basket, but they are green, actually light green, and it's just a tissue, so I decided to go with the white one. So, and as you can see, this is how they look front view, and I just try to rotate this. This is how they look like. I love Adidas baskets, I'm addicted to them. And that is another side view, guys. Actually, they are not that expensive, they are just costing only 110 euros. And as I have a big foot, I always wear size 6, that is in the UK size, and French size, that is 39. So let me just show you how they look like, their sole. So this is how they look like, and I can't wait to wear them. So check out this. Actually, they are fabulous. I love them. So actually, this is a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by the company. I'm just sharing my own experience and just unboxing my things. So guys, they're really very cute. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video. Peace. So this is a closer look, guys. And inside, this is how they look like. Actually guys, they are really very beautiful. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video. Sign out. Peace.